Unit 2.5, the power rule. So for each function, each of these functions have a derivative. The derivative of x squared is 2x. X cubed is 3x squared. X to the fourth power is, or x to the power of 4 is 4x cubed. And x to the power of 5 is 5x to the power of 4. You might know it's a function. A pattern. So for the power rule, if f of x is x to the power of n, f prime of x is nx to the power of n minus 1. So some easy examples are if y equals x to the power of 37, y prime would be 37x to the power of 36. If y equals x to the power of 9, y prime equals 9x to the power of 8. Some not as easy examples. So the function is y equals 1 over x. We have to rewrite it as y equals x to the power of negative 1. Then we have to differentiate. So y equals negative 1x minus 1 minus 1, or negative 1 minus 1, equals negative x to the power of negative 2, which is negative 1 over x squared. And then, I guess we already simplified it right here, but we have to rewrite it. So it's negative 1 over x squared. If the function is y equals 1 over x to the power of 4, we have to rewrite it as y equals x to the power of negative 4. Apply the power rule to differentiate. So it's y equals negative 4x negative 5. And then we simplify. And that is y equals negative 4 over x to the power of 5. And the function is y equals square root of x. We rewrite that to be y equals x to the power of 1/2. We apply the power rule, that becomes y equals 1/2 x to the power of negative 1/2. And then we rewrite that to be y equals negative, I forgot to put prime symbols. Y prime equals negative 1 over 2 square root of x. If the function is y equals the root of 7 of x cubed, we write that to be y equals x to the power of 3 over 7. Differentiate that to be, or apply the power rule to differentiate. That becomes 3 over 7 x to the power of 3 over 7 minus 1. Then we simplify that. That becomes y prime equals 3 over 7 square root of x to the power of 4. Some harder examples. You gotta simplify first and then take the derivative. So for f of x equals x over the square root of x, find f prime of 7. So if f of x, you have to rewrite it. So if f of x equals x1 minus 1/2 equals x to the power of 1/2. F prime of x equals 1/2 x to the power of negative 1/2 equals 1 over 2 square root of x. Then you plug in 7. So f prime of 7 equals 1 over 2 to the square root of 7. That's the answer. And then if f of x equals the cube root of x multiplied by x cubed, find f prime of 8. So f of x equals x 1/3 x cubed equals, this equals x3 plus 1/3. And then this is x to the power of 10 over 3. find the derivative. F prime of x equals 10 over 3x to the power of 7 over 5. And then you plug in 8. So f prime of 8 is 10 over 3 multiplied by 8 to the power of 7 over 3. And this equals 1280 over 3. Parallel tangent lines. Let f of x equal x to the power of 4 and g of x equals x cubed. At what values of x do the graphs of f and g have parallel tangent lines? So first we find the derivatives of f of x and g of x. So f prime of x equals 4x cubed and g prime of x equals 3x squared. We make these two values equal, so 4x cubed equals